Welcome to this professional guide for electricians on lighting and ambiance. We'll explore the art and science of illuminating spaces effectively. Ambiance is the emotional connection to a space, created by balancing intensity, color, and shadow. Mastering these elements is key to great lighting design. The three pillars of light are ambient, task, and accent. Ambient provides general safe visibility, task focuses on specific activities, and accent highlights architectural features, adding drama. Correlated color temperature, or CCT, is measured in Kelvin and determines the warmth or coolness of the light. Matching the vibe is critical, ranging from warm white for cozy spaces to daylight for high-energy areas. The Color Rendering Index, or CRI, indicates how accurately a light source renders colors. High CRI, 90+, provides accurate true colors. A professional tip is to use 90+ CRI for kitchen prep and vanity areas. Modern control technologies offer various methods for dimming and control. These include TRIAC for residential retrofits, ELV for smoother high-end dimming, 0 to 10 volts for commercial installs, and PWM for constant voltage LED strips. The kitchen is the heart of the home and requires every layer of lighting. Under-cabinet LEDs provide task light, while pendants add accent style. Ensure dimmers are on separate circuits for independent mood adjustment. Smart lighting includes wireless systems like Zigbee and Wi-Fi, perfect for retrofits without rewiring, offering app control and automation. Wired protocols like DALI or KNX are the standard for large-scale automation and luxury residences. Lumens versus energy quality is crucial. As efficacy increases, always ensure spectral quality or CRI is maintained. High-efficacy LEDs offer over 160 lumens per watt. Common installation pitfalls include light flickering, often solved by verifying dimmer compatibility, and LED ghosting, addressed by installing a bypass capacitor at the load. Illumination has evolved significantly, from the incandescent filament in 1879 to the first LED in 1962, to connected smart bulbs and moving toward human-centric lighting by 2025.